What is up, guys? It's Blockchain Billionaire. Thanks for coming back for another hot video on a new altcoin that is here to set storm and make some waves. I hope you guys are really excited because this is going to be a huge one. So I want to be talking today about the NFT marketplace, and there's a new coin called MEMES token. And this one is absolutely insane because it is really just setting precedent for what's to come in the NFT space. So this one is amazing because it is something that is actually helping community coins, or aka meme coins, actually have a place in actually a fully decentralized market. So this is super cool. So this one specifically has been audited, and the developer has been doxxed, meaning that their account is public, meaning that you can literally search them up and you know everything about them and they're not hiding anything. Typically the ones that are anonymous, they're ones that you probably want to look out for because they could go down and nobody would ever know who's behind it. So this is really important to know who's actually behind this project, right? So let's look more into it. So they're building a fully decentralized marketplace, social platform / network that allows meme creators to get revenue for their work. Seeing the rise of the blockchain NFTs and the lack of specialized platform for memes, we thought about making this community-centric meme hub in a totally decentralized fashion. Super cool. So basically they're going to be integrating all the meme ecosystems into a unified blockchain protocol. This is going to make the sharing and interacting with the platform as transparent and easy as possible. And their final objective is to have it fully decentralized. This is so cool, guys. And this is so special because I don't know if you guys are following the meme space and stuff, but it's really something that needed some attention, and specifically this. So it's amazing this is coming out, and this is brand new, so it's a great time to get on. So let's just check out their website quickly, called Meme Token. So the world's first decentralized social network and marketplace based on memes. Super cool. So I've already kind of explained what the about is. These are the different ecosystems. So it's going to be one marketplace full of transparency, blockchain based profiles, and payment flexibility, which is so cool, guys. So for participators, there's different ways. So you can be a participator or a trader. So we're talking about, getting in the trading, but you can also be a participator and, join the community and be part of the people who are submitting their memes and stuff, right? So really cool. In regards to the tokens, we can see that 30% came of it from the public pre-sale, marketing fund was 10%, reserve lock fund 30%, and the lock liquidity is 30%. That's super good. So the roadmap is actually really awesome too. So we're seeing that, the community building token launch, that was March 21st. Now in April, they're basically exchanges that are listing, the exchange listing product MVP, first NFTs. So now they're in the talks and they're finally getting out their first NFT samples. Application launch, NFTs marketplace. This is when the marketplace will actually be publicly available. That's coming up really soon, obviously in the next few days. And then June is ongoing development and incremental platform upgrades. So there's just so much coming, and in the white paper you can read all more about it and why this is actually such an amazing opportunity in the crypto space. So if we hop onto the chart, we can see that it was fairly stagnant for a while after the first little boom that they had at the beginning. This was again coming up at March 29th. Now where we are here, we can see that they're having another massive spike. This is obviously going to come down a lot, right? Because this is such a massive spike that's happened recently. So once this kind of comes down and settles down, goes into a little bit of a correction, it's going to be an amazing time to buy. I don't suggest buying right this second, but this coin in general is an amazing one to get into because it's a long-term coin. This is something that you can hold on for dear life and you'll know it's going to raise. We have so many digits that we can start crushing in this coin. So if you guys do want to get into it, it's super easy. You can just go straight into PancakeSwap. It's a BNB exchange coin. So simply just swap your BNB for this meme coin and just buy as much as you can possibly put in and also justify losing. So I want you guys to know that, first of all, I am not a financial advisor and I don't endorse any of these coins, and I don't think you should get in any of these until you've done your due diligence. Only put in what you're able to lose, but just know that this is educational purposes that I'm posting this and I'm talking about this. So make sure, again, do your own research, but this is it for this coin. MEMES token is so cool. If you guys want to get into it, please do. Let me know if you guys are investing in the comment section below. But with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.